Hi and welcome to Homeschooling with Taz. I am Taz and this is Anderson.
Hello.
And today we're going to be making cheese twists.
Oh my god, I'm excited.
So excited. Love cheese twists. Absolutely obsessed with cheese twists. So let's wash our hands and get into it. First things first, I need you to do me 150 grams of plain flour.
150 is like in the middle of it, isn't it?
Yeah, that one's 100, so in between those two.
150. Alright. 150.
Right, so now what we're going to do is what I need you to do is I want you to sieve this into the bowl, please.
Sieve it? Just to pour it in it?
Yeah, not all.
Not the whole thing?
Keep going. Keep going.
That looks smooth. Doesn't it?
It is. It makes it smooth.
Oh.
Right, so next I need 75 grams of butter.
75.
So what I want you to do?
Oh, I think I know how much 75 is. Is it so on there, is it like the third one, like from 5 to...
The one before the 100,
yeah.
So can you please cut up into squares? 75 grams.
I've never cut butter before.
Right, put it on the scale, see how much it weighs.
75?
Yeah. Right, now what I want you to do, cut it up into squares, please.
Little squares, so like that much, half and half and half.
Yeah, just squares.
Okay.
So you want 75 grams of salted butter. Now, add the butter into the flour.
Put them on.
Yeah. Right, now what I want you to do, I need you to mix it with your fingers to make it into like breadcrumbs. Right, so you want to squeeze it all together. That, do that. Grab some butter and some flour and just... So while you're doing all this, you want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees. Okay, so what you want is you want this like breadcrumby kind of texture. Okay, so next we're going to add the cheese, eggs and milk. So we're going to need 100 grams of grated cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like, whatever your favourite cheese is. We're going to use mature cheddar because it's just our favourite. So can you please do me 100 grams? Right, can you add the cheese into the bowl?
Just,
yeah. Thank you. Right, now we need a tablespoon. So yeah, 2 tablespoons. We need 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. The Parmesan cheese.
oh.
Whoops. Would you like to do it?
Yeah. Wait, so 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, same amount.
Thank you. See, this is just guidelines when it comes to cheese. I think because there's cheese twists, it doesn't matter how much cheese really you put in it, because if it's too cheesy, then it's still happy days. And we need 1 tablespoon of milk. Would you like to do that for me? Very good. So you want 1 tablespoon of milk, and then we just want 1 egg. Oh shit. We need to make this into a dough.
Dough?
A dough. Would you like to start mixing?
The spoon.
Yeah. Oh, you can smell it.
smells alright. It smells quite. It smells cheesy, which is a good thing. Somehow. Whoa.
Would you like to try?
Wait, what should I do?
Just knead it, Bubs, like it's a pizza dough. Pretend you're making a pizza.
Kind of like how you just done it.
Yeah.
This is cool. Feels cool.
So it should look like this. Just like pizza dough. Now what you want to do is you want to whack it in the bowl, back in the bowl, and just leave it to sit for 15 minutes. Okay? And then we'll be back in 15 minutes. Let's carry on. Okay. Right, so it's been 15 moments. Just write that in the bowl. Now what we need.
So I'm gonna what I did, mush it up.
Roll it out.
Roll it out.
Roll it.
Rolling crap.
No, it's not avocado. Right, so what we're going to do. You only need to roll it out to about a centimetre thick. That's just going to drop.
Yep.
So what we're going to do is we're going to do two. So what we're going to do.
Oh, you're doing the twist part.
Yeah. And then just got to.
Because it's a cheese twist. That's good.
Wrap it over.
Voila.
Voila! Cheese twist. Do you want to try?
Yeah. I don't think I'll be able to do the twist. But
Try.
I'll try to it. Okay, right. So
Put the top ends together.
the top ends. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Then
Right, you want to squeeze it together so it makes one.
yeah.
And then you just want to
Oh,
twist it.
that's good.
Twist.
Oh.
So it's going to be a small one. Do that one?
Yeah, there's that one. Okay, then do I go like
Twist it.
this? And then, so that is under here, so under there,
Got some help.
and then over that. He goes over that then. They're a bit too short. Oh wait, so like this,
Yeah, put them together like that.
and then like that.
And then just twist. Just make a little one. So you push them together
Yeah.
at the top. And just twist.
Oh, okay.
See if we can make one small one.
A tiny one.
Just make another short.
You're good at that. Your secret talent.
And then we'll just.
Making cheese twists.
Right, so you have to put it on baking paper. They should look like this. Doesn't matter if they look a bit funny, not quite shaped, but right. So you want to put them in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes, and then we'll see how they look. Yummy! Look at them. Ooh, just a few more minutes. Ah, looks nice. Dead excited to take them out.
Oh my, oh god, look. The heat just went away. Oh my god, they actually look like cheese twists.
They are cheese twists.
Well,
and
yeah, I know, but they look like the ones that we get from Tesco.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Can you see?
That is crazy.
Ah, cheese twists. Now that is an easy way of making cheese twists. Give it a little while for it to cool and then it's good to go. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye.